Here we want to talk about the multitask tool. It's a tool that I invented. I have a patent filed. It's pending. I think this is probably one of the best tools on the market. This tool will allow you to remove a hotline clamp, open the switch, remove the fuse barrel, put the fuse barrel back, install the clamp, and close the switch. The small finger on here also will allow you to put double eye screw-on stirrups on, single eye screw-on stirrups. It has 4 prongs inside of it, 2 different designs that we're looking at possibly building. One is a 2-piece solution. It has slots inside of it that catch the hotline clamp. It's also, we're going to demonstrate how a burn-up hotline clamp can also be took offline, which there's no tool on the market that's available at this time to do that. It has to be done by hand, and this can sometimes result in having to kill circuits or kill lines and ground and test to be able to remove the clamp safely. So there's another opportunity to possibly save money for the industry, and we'll demonstrate how it works. The 2-piece is clamped together like this. It has a slot here. It has a fuse barrel hanger that is screwed in this point. If you need it, you can leave it on. If it's going to be in a bind on your hotline clamp, you can take it off and just screw it in and tighten your jam nut up against it and remove the fuse barrel. We'll give you a little demonstration of how this works. Here we're demonstrating a burn-up switch and burn-up hotline clamp. Our switch is broke. Our stinger is laying on the cross arm, burning, has our circuit locked out. At this point, the crew would have to go up and either glove test it. At this point, the crew would have to go up and cover up to remove it by hand and ground because it's an unsafe situation. With this, they can take the short sticks in the bucket with the multitask tool, go up into the hotline clamp, twist it off with a stick, lift up on the clamp, remove it, drops out. They've removed the hotline clamp safely in a safe distance. Now the crew will be able to go back, re-energize their circuit, or make their line back hot so they can have time to come back and change the switch out. This could be a great time saving and great safety issue for the linemen in the field. Also, it can be a very timely outage saver also, and outages are very important to cut down on outage time at this time. Here we're demonstrating how the multitask tool in bad weather conditions can hit the rings. A lot of times this is a hard condition with the regular fingers because you're having to go out and hit the ring. It's kind of hard to hit it. With this, you can set it against the fuse barrel, roll right into the ring. It's short enough. Pull your fuse barrel open. This point you may have already wanted to have, but I want to demonstrate how the fuse barrel hanger would stick out here. It's at a 90 degree from the finger. Goes into the fuse barrel here, lifts up, helps prevent the fuse barrel from slipping off. You can reinstall fuse barrel. Some companies require the hotline clamps be taken off. At this point, you can put the hotline clamp. At this point, you can put the hotline clamp back on. Come around here, grab your switch, and close back in. This tool is the ultimate tool. I believe all the linemen in the country are going to want this, and I believe it can be a big help in our industry. Thank you for your time.